In what experts are calling a new low for low tide, Marco Island police are hot on the trails of a slippery suspect who's been fishing without a license or any shame from other people's boats. Surveillance footage and several extremely angry retirees have helped narrow the suspect down to a white male, approximately 5'10", wearing a hoodie, cap and pants, and a smug aura of someone who thinks bait buckets are free range. The early morning angler was last seen tiptoeing along the docks at the prestigious South Seas Club condos on Seaview Court, making off with enough fishing gear to host his own Bash Pro clearance sale. Residents are baffled, appalled and moderately inconvenienced. He didn't even take the good stuff, said one condo owner who asked to remain anonymous while polishing his custom graphite rod that cost more than most engagement rings. Left the Shimano but grabbed my chum bucket and a folding chair. What kind of criminal does that? Police are urging residents to lock up their lures, bolt their bubblers and consider posting signs that read, "Smile, you're on Candid Cod Mirror." Suggested upgrades include motion detecting underwater lasers, fish trained security teams and those plastic owls that scare away everybody except determined humans. While the South Seas thief remains at large, island detectives say they're casting a wide net and won't rest until they reel this guy in. Anyone with tips or missing tackles should contact Marco Island Police Department or drop it off discreetly behind the bait shop. Until then, the fish may be biting, but so are the criminals. Update: Marco Island's Neighbourhood Watch is rumoured to be rebranding as Dockside Justice Squad. Meetings will be held on Tuesdays after sunset. Bring your bait and binoculars. Alright, thanks for watching. My name's Paul. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.